Hello, developers. As a UI developer, I share the concepts and challenges I've encountered in real-world projects. Today, we're exploring a powerful yet often underrated JavaScript feature, the spread operator, and how it can simplify your code while making it more efficient. But first, what exactly is the spread operator? The spread operator is represented by 3 dots, and it's a game changer when working with arrays and objects in JavaScript. In simple terms, the spread operator allows you to expand the contents of an array or object into individual elements or properties. For example, instead of adding items one by one, you can use the spread operator to quickly copy or combine multiple arrays and objects with just a few lines of code. It's incredibly useful when you need to copy data without modifying the original, combine multiple data sources into one, add new properties to objects dynamically. Now, here's the real question. Imagine you're building a shopping cart system where users can add multiple items to their cart, remove individual items, and view a detailed summary of their selected products. How would you ensure that each item is uniquely tracked, even if the same product is added multiple times? This is where the spread operator becomes extremely powerful. In this video, I'll explain how the spread operator makes this process simple and efficient by allowing us to manage the cart data dynamically. In this project, I'll cover 3 key points. Creating a dynamic cart system using the spread operator. Efficiently adding and removing items with unique identification logic. Building a real-time cart summary that updates instantly with each change. Let's start by exploring the HTML structure. The HTML starts with a heading that introduces the shopping cart system. Next, there's a product list section that displays sample products. Each product has a name, a price, and an Add to Cart button. This button triggers a function that handles adding products to the cart. Below that, there's a cart summary section that shows the total number of items, a list of product names, the total price. Finally, there's a cart section that lists all the items currently added to the cart. Each entry includes a remove button that allows users to delete individual items from their cart. This structure is simple yet effective for building a dynamic shopping cart experience. Now let's dive into the JavaScript logic. This is where the core functionality happens. The project starts by defining an empty array called cart. This array acts as a container to store all the products added to the cart. The add to cart function is responsible for adding new items to the cart. Here's where the spread operator comes into play. When a product is added, we combine the original product data with an additional property called unique ID. This unique ID is generated using the dateNow method, which creates a distinct timestamp value for each product entry. The spread operator helps combine the product's details with this new unique ID by creating a new object that merges both sets of data. Using the spread operator here is crucial because it allows us to expand the original product object inside the new object. This method ensures that no data is lost and new properties like the unique ID can be easily added. The spread operator is also used when updating the cart array. Instead of modifying the original array directly, the spread operator creates a new array that includes all previous items plus the newly added product. This method is better than directly modifying the cart array because it ensures the data remains clean and predictable, improving both performance and reliability. The remove from cart function handles the logic for removing items. Since some products may appear multiple times in the cart, relying on product IDs alone wouldn't be enough. Instead, we use the unique ID value added earlier. The logic filters the cart array and returns a new array that excludes the item matching the clicked remove button. By relying on unique IDs instead of product IDs, this method ensures that only the clicked item is removed, even if identical products exist in the cart. This approach keeps the cart data organized and avoids unexpected behavior when users add duplicate items. The function begins by selecting 2 key elements from the document, one for displaying the list of cart items and another for showing the total price. These selections allow the function to dynamically modify the content of these elements. Next, the function clears the current cart display to ensure outdated data is removed before updating the list with fresh content. This step is important to prevent items from being duplicated every time the cart updates. Following this, a total price variable is initialized with a starting value of 0. This variable will be used to calculate the combined value of all the items in the cart. To iterate through the cart's data, the function uses a method that efficiently loops through each item. Inside this loop, a new list item is created for each product in the cart. The product's name and price are then combined into a text format and assigned to this list item. Next, a remove button is created for each product. This button is designed to trigger a function that removes the selected item from the cart when clicked. To ensure only the correct item is removed, each product is given a unique identifier. When the remove button is clicked, this unique identifier helps the function accurately identify and remove that specific product, even if multiple identical products exist in the cart. Once the remove button is prepared, it is added inside the list item. The fully constructed list item, now containing both product details and a remove button, is added to the main cart display area. During this looping process, the total price variable is updated by adding the price of each item to it. After the loop completes, this calculated total is displayed in the designated total price section. Finally, to assist with development and debugging, the function logs the entire cart's data in a clear, organized table format. The update cart summary function provides a clear overview of the cart's content. First, it calculates the total number of items by checking the cart array's length. Next, it generates a comma-separated list of product names using the map method. This method extracts each product's name and joins them into a readable format. Finally, it calculates the total price by looping through the cart array and adding the price of each product. This combination of methods keeps the cart summary clear and informative, ensuring users always know what's in their cart. The spread operator is incredibly powerful because it allows you to easily copy arrays and objects without modifying the original data, add or remove items efficiently with cleaner syntax, create new data structures while preserving the original data for better performance. In this project, the spread operator plays a vital role in creating a dynamic and responsive shopping cart system. It simplifies the process of adding and removing items, ensures the data structure remains reliable, and improves the overall readability of the code. So, the next time you're working with arrays or objects in JavaScript, remember the power of the spread operator. It's a simple yet effective tool that makes your code cleaner, smarter, and more efficient. If you found this explanation helpful, subscribe to the channel for more JavaScript tips. And as always, see you in the next video.